What's up, Under God family? Man, this is real special. This video right here, this film is bigger than even words can say, man. We at my old house, man. We at my grandmother's home where I grew up. It was me, my aunt, my cousin Alfonso, my other aunt, Auntie Benu, my cousin Jewel, my cousin Sonny Boy, my great grandmother who helped raise me. We all grew up at this house, man, and it's nostalgic to be here, and I'm just humbled to be here because I've been wanting to film here for a minute, but I just want to just capture the essence of the beauty of, Kinsman Avenue 137, and I really appreciate all the lessons that I learned here, and all the lessons of family and just loving each other. But that brings me to go into the collection, Restored. As you can see throughout the house, man, it's being restored, paint is being chipped, and repainting the house. And that brings me to the point to where I was in my walk, in my life. It represents how God has restored me within my life. How when I was battling with depression, I was battling with suicidal thoughts, when I was dealing with family loss. I recently lost my aunt. So the more that we rely upon God, the more that we trust in Him, the more He's able to come to us in our time of need and help us get to restoration. So I say that to say, man, I want to take y'all back to where I grew up to show you that even though you may have an old house, sometimes that's how our life is. Sometimes it changes colors, sometimes it's different seasons, but through it all, God can restore us. God can restore those broken pieces in your life if you allow Him. And I feel so good to feel restored, and that's what this collection is all about. It's not just about clothes, it's not just about pieces, it's not just about cool models and dope photos. It's about feeling and being restored in Christ and realizing that restoration is a process. You're not just restored in one night, but it's through prayer, it's through fasting, it's through trusting in Him and knowing that each and every day God is restoring us just a little bit to who He wants us to be. You already know, Under God, we got so much more on the way. UnderGodByfield.com. Much love and God bless y'all, man. Restored Collection 7.